portion of northeast Ohio, including the following county: Mahoning. When? Until 10:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Impacts: minor flooding in low-lying and poor drainage areas. Additional details: at 7:36 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. Minor flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the advisory area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts to 0.5 to
You need to learn personal space, Prince Wednesday.
Additional rain will result in minor flooding. Locations that will experience flooding include Kingstown, Boardman, Alliance, Campbell, Canfield, Sebring, Austintown, Struthers, Olin, Ellsworth, New Middletown, Craig Beach, Lowellville, Beloit, Greenford, North Jackson, Mineral Ridge, Berlin Center, and Maple Ridge. Please visit www.weather.gov/safety/flood for flood safety and preparedness information. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. The extended